Agarwal, President of the Confederation of Medical Association of Asia region. Dr. Agarwal, good morning. Your first response to the Prime Minister's announcement. Do you completely back the 100% lockdown extension till the 3rd of May?
I think there was no choice. It was expected that there will be a lockdown for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And now important thing is the healthcare services should be the first services to come back to normal, because for us, every patient is COVID positive unless proved otherwise, and every surface is coronavirus positive unless proved otherwise. We must take universal standard precautions, normalize our health services. Rest of the country most likely will be divided into 3 zones, the zone of red, yellow, and green. And those green, if they stay in green for the next 1 week, some restrictions will be taken out. And those who will be shifting from red to yellow zone, then for another 1 week, if they can shift to green zone, that means in a week, if they don't have any new cases, some restrictions will come out. This graded plan was expected, and this graded plan is as per a normal standard operations to be done in such cases. And we fully agree that for practical purposes, the extension of this lockdown is only for 1 week. If you can behave, if you can normalize your activities in this 1 week and shift yourself to a green zone, your restrictions will start reducing. But as far as healthcare is concerned, I think tomorrow's document may talk about normalization of healthcare services soon.
Yeah, I think that's something that we're all looking forward to. In fact, many political parties especially, not drawing you into a political debate, trying to prematurely sort of judge the speech, when the fact is the Prime Minister has said the complete guidelines of what you can expect over the next 19 days will be made clearer in a document that will be released tomorrow. In fact, we're getting in more and more responses as well. We'll cut across to those responses as and when they come. But Dr. Agarwal, you know, especially in cities like Delhi and Mumbai, now you spoke about these different zones, the red, orange and green zones as being designated by the different governments. Now, there is a trend that we're seeing, especially in cities like Delhi and Mumbai. The number of people in these zones is increasing. The number of cases, for example, in Mumbai, from where we're broadcasting, is increasing. So what's your message? And when the Prime Minister spoke about containing the number of hotspots, this is the trend that we were talking about, that we first need to contain.
I think when we talk about new cases, we have to talk about new cases in terms of an area. If the cases keep occurring, if they are from the same relation in the same house, we do expect. But if this coming out from the neighbor or next to neighbor, we know that there is some breakup of the rules which are happening. So I do expect if there are 4 people in one family, they all are together in a quarantine, and if they get each other, I'm not worried about that. But if my neighbor gets it, or next to the next neighbor gets it, yes, I'm concerned about it. At this particular moment, it is the duty of each one of us to see to it that in my locality, nobody is breaking the law and nobody is breaking the lockdown, nobody is breaking the social distancing level. And our now government's job is to announce every district as what zone it is and what is needed for them to take care that no new cases comes.
Yeah.